Ladies and gentlemen, it's a privilege for me to come before you with the December edition of A Minute with the Mayor. In the operating funds for the month of November, revenues was $5.3 million, expenditures were $3.9 million. And in capital improvement funds, revenue was $670,000 and expenditures were $615,000. Our state turnback for November was approximately $362,000. Our city sales tax for November was approximately $1.3 million. And November's motel occupancy tax came in at $47,000. October's alcoholic beverage tax came in at $32,000. I would like to take a moment to pass along a few city updates. L.M. Duncan, Mark Nichols, and I met with the Arkansas Highway Department last week, and we were very pleased to be informed that the City of Jonesboro will be receiving the $4.8 million for the Highway 226 project. This will complete asphalting from Highway 49 over the new overpass, which is approximately 2.2 miles in length. The administration has met with the Union Pacific Railroad concerning the blocking of tracks in our city. Union Pacific, Burlington Northern, and the Arkansas Highway Department will be putting a master plan together so that we can decide what steps need to be taken in regards to the overall success of the bypasses in the city of Jonesboro. Our Army Reserve Center demolition has started for our new police station, which is located on Caraway Road. We anticipate this project that will be completed by the end of May. I had the privilege to attend 2 ribbon cuttings in the medical field this month. One was a new facility on Highway 49 that was a joint venture between St. Bernard's Health Center and Methodist Hospital in Paragould. The second was the new NEA Baptist Memorial Hospital, which includes a cancer treatment center. This will be a tremendous asset for the citizens of Jonesboro for years to come. I would like to thank everyone who attended Winter Wonderland this year and made it successful. I'd especially like to thank the Rotary Club for manning the facility for several weeks during December. This concludes the December edition of A Minute with the Mayor on Channel 24. God bless.